Welcome to English Janova. Hello, and welcome back to English Janova, your place to practice English in a calm, simple, and enjoyable way. I'm happy you're here today. Take a comfortable seat, relax your mind, and get ready to listen, repeat, and speak with me. In today's lesson, we are going to talk about your daily routine. This is one of the most useful topics in English because everyone has a daily routine. You don't need special knowledge to talk about it. You already know your own life, and that makes speaking much easier. During this lesson, I will speak slowly and clearly. Please don't worry. If you don't understand every word, just listen carefully. Repeat after me whenever you can. If you make mistakes, that's completely okay. Every mistake is another step toward becoming a confident English speaker. Remember, learning English is not about speaking perfectly. It is about speaking a little better every single day. So, take a deep breath, smile, and let's begin. Why should you talk about your daily routine? Many English learners think they need difficult vocabulary before they can speak. But that is not true. The best conversations usually start with simple topics. Talking about your daily routine helps you practice real English that you can use almost every day. Imagine meeting a new friend. They may ask, "What do you usually do during the day?" If you know how to answer this question, you can continue the conversation naturally. You can talk about your morning. You can describe your work or your studies. You can explain your hobbies. You can even talk about your plans for tomorrow. Little by little, your confidence grows. The more you speak about familiar things, the easier English becomes. So, today, let's practice together. One sentence at a time, one idea at a time, one step at a time. Morning practice. Now, let's begin with the morning. Please listen first, then repeat after me. Ready? Let's start. I usually wake up early. Now you repeat. I open my eyes and smile. No, you. I take a deep breath before I get out of bed. Very good. I like to start my morning peacefully. Excellent. I make my bed before leaving my room. Great job. I drink a glass of water every morning. Wonderful. It helps me feel fresh and awake. Very nice. I stretch my body for a few minutes. Good. After that, I walk to the bathroom. I brush my teeth carefully. Then I wash my face with cool water. It helps me feel more energetic. Sometimes I take a quick shower. Other days, I simply wash my face and get ready. I choose comfortable clothes for the day. I look in the mirror and smile. Starting the day with a smile makes me feel positive. Breakfast time. After getting ready, I prepare my breakfast. Breakfast is an important meal. It gives me energy for the day. Sometimes I eat toast with eggs. Sometimes I enjoy fruit and yogurt. On busy mornings, I keep my breakfast simple. I like to eat slowly. I don't like rushing while eating. While having breakfast, I sometimes listen to slow English audio. Listening every day improves my understanding. Even 10 minutes of listening can make a difference. When I finish eating, I clean the table. Then I get ready for the next part of my day. Let's shadow together. Now, let's practice a short story. Listen carefully. Pause if you need more time. Then repeat each sentence. This morning, I woke up before 7 o'clock. The weather was quiet and peaceful. I opened the window and let the fresh air come inside. I drank a glass of water and stretched my body. After that, I brushed my teeth and washed my face. I looked outside and saw the bright morning sky. It made me feel calm and happy. Then I made a simple breakfast. I ate slowly and enjoyed every bite. While eating, I listened to an English podcast. I learned a few new words. I repeated them aloud. At first, my pronunciation was not perfect, but I didn't stop. I kept practicing. After breakfast, I packed my bag. I checked my phone. I looked at my schedule. Everything was ready. I took one more deep breath. Then I opened the door and started my day with confidence. Speak about yourself. Now, it's your turn. I will ask you a few questions. Try to answer in English. Don't worry if your answer is short. Just speak. What time do you usually wake up? Do you wake up early or late? What is the first thing you do every morning? Do you drink tea, coffee, or water? What do you usually eat for breakfast? How do you feel in the morning? Happy, sleepy, excited, relaxed? Try answering these questions using complete sentences. For example, I usually wake up at 7. I drink water first. I have eggs and toast for breakfast. Simple sentences are powerful. The more you use them, the more natural your English will become. Morning vocabulary. Practice. Let's learn a few useful words. Wake up, stretch, fresh, comfortable, breakfast, mirror, peaceful, energetic, routine, confidence. Now, let's use them. I wake up early every day. My morning feels peaceful. I wear comfortable clothes. Breakfast gives me energy. I want to become a confident English speaker. Excellent work. You're learning useful English that you can use in real life. And that is the most important kind of learning. The afternoon. Now let's continue with the afternoon. The afternoon is often the busiest part of the day. Some people are at work, some people are at school or college, others stay at home and take care of their family. No matter what you do, the afternoon gives you many chances to practice English. You don't need one free hour. Even 5 minutes of practice can help you improve. Now, listen carefully and repeat after me. I usually have lunch around 1 o'clock. Now, you repeat. After lunch, I continue with my work. Very good. Sometimes I feel a little tired after eating. Excellent. I drink some water and take a short break. Great job. Then I return to my work with fresh energy. Wonderful. I check my tasks one by one. I try to finish the most important work first. When I don't understand something, I stay calm. I learn at least one new word every evening. Then I write it in my notebook. Writing helps me remember new vocabulary. A full evening story. After I arrived home, I felt a little tired. I changed my clothes and drank a glass of water. Then I helped prepare dinner. While eating, I talked with my family about our day. After dinner, I washed the dishes and cleaned the table. Everything looked neat and organized. Later, I sat in a quiet place with my notebook. I reviewed today's English lesson. I repeated some new sentences. I noticed that I could understand more than before. That made me feel happy. Before going to bed, I thought about everything I had done today. I wasn't perfect, but I was better than yesterday. That was enough to make me proud. Before sleeping, ask yourself these simple questions. What did I learn today? What new English word do I remember? Did I practice speaking today? What can I do better tomorrow? These small questions help you build strong learning habits. Remember, improvement doesn't happen in one day. It happens one day at a time. One lesson, one conversation, one new word, every single day. Final motivation. You have done an amazing job today. You listened carefully. You repeated sentences. You practiced speaking. And most importantly, you kept going. That is what successful English learners do. They don't wait to feel confident. They become confident because they practice consistently. Always remember this. You don't have to speak fast. You don't have to know every word. You only have to keep learning. Every sentence you speak is another step toward fluency. Every mistake teaches you something valuable. Every day you practice, your future English becomes stronger. Thank you for spending your time with English Janova. I truly appreciate your effort and your dedication. Keep listening, keep speaking, keep believing in yourself. Your English journey has already begun, and every small step is taking you closer to your goal. I'll see you again in our next lesson. Until then, take care, stay curious, keep smiling, and never stop learning. Goodbye, and have a wonderful day.